Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. Today we are going to write a program in which we are going to count how many digits in number which we are going to insert. It's going to be any number you want and long as you want, so we're going to count how many digits has this number. Okay, so first of all we need a variable for this. Let's say int number. Yeah. Okay, and let's say insert number. Insert number. Good. You have to get number like this. Yes, and let's see number. Okay, good. Now we have a number. So I said that we are going to count how many digits this number has. So let's do. First of all, we're going to need a counter, and the same 0, of course, and let's say that's it. Okay, we don't need anything else, and go while number is not the same 0. Okay, good. And let's say number is the same number divided by 10. Good. And counter plus plus. I think that should be it. Let's say count this number is counter, yes, digits. Good. And let's see if this works now or not. And let's do this. Okay, good. And insert number. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it should be 8 digits. In this numbers is 8 digits. Okay. So what we did? We just divide this number with 10 so many times it comes to 0. Okay. And every time we divide with 10 we give counter plus 1. Okay, and when it's finished you get how many is counter, and that many is the 8 digits in this number, and that's it. Okay, let's see one more time. Let's say now 1, 2, 3, and in this number is 3 digits. Maybe I should write R. Okay, and that's it. Okay, R, and that's good. Everything you need to count digits. The number 104. This number are 4 digits. Good, nice. So if you like this video, like it, and if you want to see more videos like this and to be part of this good, I don't know,